Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make honey cake at home. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click that little notification button. Thank you. For this honey cake recipe you're going to need icing sugar, brown sugar, butter, flour, a little water, eggs and of course the main ingredient, honey. This is so easy. To start with, I've got my honey in my pan and all I'm going to do is add my sugar, my butter, and lastly 1 tablespoon of water. All I'm going to do now is put it on the hob and melt it gently so it's all mixed together. And while that's melting, I'm just going to beat my eggs together. Oh, why does that do that when I'm on camera? Now I'm going to beat my eggs together. Now I've beaten the eggs together, I'm going to add them to the butter, sugar and honey, and then I'm going to add the flour, and that's basically it. Do remember when you are baking to bring your eggs up to room temperature before you start. It helps with the raising. The next bit's easy. Here we go. I'm just going to pour the eggs in and I'm going to beat them with a whisk as I do it. And lastly, the flour. This is self-raising. Now that's done, I'm just going to pour it into my prepared tin. And that's it. I'm just going to put it in the oven at 180 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes until it's brown and risen. The cake is now out of the oven and has cooled slightly. I'm just going to stick a few holes in it to help the icing sink into the cake. In this bowl I've got some icing sugar and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of honey, and now I'm just going to add a couple of teaspoons of warm water, stir it round. I think it might need just a little bit more, half a teaspoon. And there we go. There we go. Nice runny honey icing. All I'm going to do now is pour it over the cake. I'm just going to leave that to harden off a bit, then I'll take it out of the tin and then it'll be ready to eat. Well, that's my honey cake recipe. I hope you're going to enjoy it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification button. I'm now going to enjoy this with a nice cup of tea. I hope to see you soon. Goodbye. Stuck to the plate. That's really good. I'm going to have some more. Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make honey cake at home. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click that little notification button. Thank you.
Cool.
So,
Get on with it then.
I'm trying to.
Otherwise we will replace you.
Oh! She wants to say a naughty word right now.
I'm going to wait until you've probably got that switched on, haven't you?
Yeah.
I'm going to wait.
She's seething.
I can get my own back. Oh, don't go to sneeze. Oh!
Oh, that's still listening.